Hello guys, welcome to my channel, The Beautiful Stitches, where we make ourselves beautiful and we try out things on our own. Today we'll be looking at how to cut out a perfect armhole. So let's get started. Alright, before we start, if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Don't also forget to turn up the notification bell so that you always get notified anytime I post my videos. Like and also share my videos. Alright, let's get to today's business. Here is a sample of different bust sizes. We have the small size, which ranges from 24 to 28, medium 28 to 36, large 36 to 44, extra large, and so on, 44 and above. And the connection in which we are supposed to connect while drafting out our armhole: for the small size we take up 1 inch, medium size we take up 3/4 inch, large size we take up half an inch, and for the extra large and sizes above 44 we take up 1/4 inch. So let's have a sample on our drafting paper. Let's construct one on our pattern paper. And for today's tutorial, we are working with a measurement of armhole circumference 16, shoulder 16, bust circumference of 40. Remember, we are working with different sizes. So this falls under large, 36 to 44. This falls under large. So we are taking off half an inch from our measurement. Okay, let me draft it on the pattern paper so that we understand what we are talking about. So remember to always draft out your baseline. The baseline, which is also known as a shoulder line. That is where every measurement you take on your pattern paper or fabric starts from. So for today's tutorial, we are working with shoulder of 16. So we'll mark out our shoulder. Remember 3 inches. Remember 3 inches neck width. This is where we have our 3 inches. Then our shoulder is 16. 16 divided by 2, we have 8. Okay, so we'll take off 1 inch from this shoulder line downward. This is to create our shoulder slope. Remember, the shoulder is not straight. We connect it to the 3 inches neck width. All right, this is what we have. Then we measure down our 8 inches armhole measurement. We have armhole circumference of 16. Armhole circumference of 16. So we are measuring down 8 inches here. Remember, from the shoulder slope you measure down 8 inches. Connect it to the folded part of the fabric or pattern paper. All right, so draw a straight line from the shoulder slope down to the upper bust. This is our upper bust line now. Let me draw out this side. All right, so for us to map out our perfect armhole, what we do is that from this slope here, you measure down. What we have is 8 inches. Mark the center of the 8 inches. We have 4 here. This is the point, the midpoint of. From this midpoint now, from our diagram here, we have large size 36 to 40. You take off half an inch. So we are going to take off half an inch from this side inward. We take half an inch inward. This is half an inch. All right, this is half an inch. So we connect from this point here, you connect down to the shoulder slope with your armhole curve. Remember, it is not a straight line. Connect down this way. Alright, then also you connect down, make sure the curve aligns with this first one you drew here. So you connect this way. Okay, and draw down. Okay, can you see? This now is for our front armhole. Then for the back armhole, what you do is just place your armhole curve here. You don't need to start mapping out any inch again, subtracting or adding. Just put your armhole curve on the initial line you drew here and mark it out on your fabric or pattern paper, like so. This way, as you can see, this is our back armhole, and this is our front. This is our front armhole, and this is our back armhole. So let's cut it out and see how it looks like. Remember, so this is what a basic armhole drafting looks like. So before you cut out your shoulder and your neck line, what you do is mark out half an inch on this shoulder line. Remember, the shoulder line is on this other new line now, the slanted line, not on the straight one. So you mark out half an inch on this line, then impute your bust measurements on this line. All right, thank you for watching till the end. If you're new to this channel, please don't fail to subscribe. Before you leave, click the subscription button and touch the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload my videos, and do not fail to like and share my videos. Thanks for watching till the end. I love you all. Stay safe and stay out of trouble. Bye.